eUsahawan, it's me again, Niel here. I have a good news for you. This year, in 2020, the government is sponsoring the eUsahawan program again. That means it is free to join. Unlike last year, 2019, you are required to pay a certain amount to join the program. This year's syllabus is going to be different compared to 2019 and 2018. This time, instead of 8 hours, it is going to be an 8 hours plus 2 weeks program. The training will be conducted online using Zoom. If you do not know what is Zoom, not to worry, as I will guide you step by step on how to download and use Zoom to join the training online. Okay, Zoom is not the telescope or the camera that is building into our camera and we use it to zoom in, zoom out. No, that is not the Zoom that I'm talking about. Zoom is a video communication software. It allows you to conduct online training, video conferencing, online meetings, chat, webinar, and many more. Here's the benefit for joining this year's 2020 eUsahawan program. First one is that you can re-attend this program for free. So first, you must attend the 8 hours training online through Zoom. Then secondly, join the 2 weeks training program, okay, which is the 8 hour plus the 2 weeks training program. Okay, all will be done online. What will you discover from the program? So during the 8 hours, you will discover more about how to use Facebook Live, edit videos for marketing, posting pre-recorded videos to Facebook page, group, and also your Instagram. You will also learn about how to post the pre-recorded videos to your IGTV, which is also part of Instagram. The next one, you will discover how you and your business able to be found on Google using search engine optimization. In short, it is called SEO. That means you rank your business on Google first page at the first position, or perhaps you rank your business on Google top 10, okay, top 10 position on Google first page. And then the next one, which is the third one, you will discover on how to use or run Google and Facebook ads. That will be just level 1, which is a basic how you run ads for Google and Facebook. Then the next one is number 4. You will learn about email marketing concept strategy. Okay, you will understand how to automate your email sales process. Okay, your email follow-up process. Okay, the 5th one is the marketplace. In other words, it is the e-commerce. Okay, whether you are selling physical products, digital products, or services, you can leverage the marketplace to sell whatever you have to your dream customers. So if you want to attend this 8 hours training program, you are required to invite at least one first-timer. Okay, he or she must be a first-timer to join the program. And then once you invite them to join the program, let me know who are they, whether it's a he or she, let me know what's their name so that I can check in the system and verify that, okay, you have already invited a person who is a first timer to join this eUsahawan program. That's all, and you can join the 8 hours training program. But this time, the training will be conducted online using Zoom. So I have put the registration link above or below of this video. You can go and check it out. Alright, I have another update for you. Do you still remember about the eUsahawan.my portal where you can access to the portal and watch the training online? Just recently last year, Malaysia Digital Economic Corporation, in short it's called MDEC, decided to move the whole site and content from eUsahawan.my to Go-eCommerce.my. So it's from the old site to a new site. So if you have not watched the videos in eUsahawan.my or not yet download your certificates, please go and visit the new website which is called Go-eCommerce.my. I put the link above or below of this video. And if you forgot your password or your ID, not to worry, you can actually just drop me a message, let me know, and I'll try to help you out. I will also create another video to show you how the Go-eCommerce.my works. Okay, I will show you how you can actually access to the portal and watch the video and how to actually download the certificate. In fact, the Google.my is still under beta version. It means it is still under developing and improving. But you can access to the portal to watch the training videos and download your certificate. So to summarize everything, you are invited to join this 8 hours eUsahawan training online using Zoom, plus a 2-week online training program. If you want to re-attend this program, you will need to invite at least one person who have not attended the eUsahawan program. I put the link above or below of this video. You can go ahead and check it out and share this link to your friends and family. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, or you just drop me a message in WhatsApp. You can call me, you can even SMS me, but I don't think people will use SMS anymore. But you can just WhatsApp me or give me a call and ask me any questions that you may have. And if you are interested to attend this year's 2020 eUsahawan program, I would really encourage you to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will put that WhatsApp group link above or below in this video. You can go ahead again and check it out. And that WhatsApp group, I will update all the latest news and updates to that group. So the old WhatsApp group that you are in right now, I might remove it and just maintain the new group, which is for 2020. Alright, before I end this video, there's one last thing I need to share. Now, if you have an agency or a team, doesn't matter whether it is big or small, I have an opportunity for you. Even if you do not have an agency or a team of your own, but perhaps you want to start a new team of your own by doing recruitment or start hiring talents to join your company, I created another video to talk about how we can come in to help you and your agency or your team to achieve your business goals and needs. I will send out the video to those who are interested. Alright, so if you're interested, please drop me a WhatsApp message or Facebook message. Alright, so again, if any one of you have any questions for me, please do not hesitate to drop me a WhatsApp message. You can just give me a call and ask me whatever questions that you may have. And that is all for now for this video. I hope that I'll see you in the eUsahawan online training program, which is we are going to use Zoom. I hope I'm going to see you in this 8 hours online training and the 2 weeks online training program. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day. Cheers, high five.